discover the keys to becoming a powerful person in every aspect of your life. Tip 1. Cultivate a growth mindset, embrace challenges, and learn from criticism. Tip 2. Set clear goals, visualize your success, and take intentional steps towards it. Tip 3. Practice empathy, understand and connect with others on a deeper level. Tip 4. Take responsibility for your actions and decisions, accountability is empowering. Tip 5. Build resilience, bounce back from setbacks, and keep moving forward. Tip 6. Cultivate a positive attitude, focus on solutions rather than problems. Tip 7. Practice gratitude, appreciate the good in your life and spread positivity. Tip 8. Communicate effectively, listen actively, and express yourself clearly and respectfully. Tip 9. Seek knowledge, never stop learning and expanding your horizons. Tip 10. Embrace authenticity, be true to yourself and let your uniqueness shine. Remember, personal power comes from within and can positively impact every aspect of your life.